Hi, and welcome to this video. I am Peter. I am building custom scale model cars and RC cars for customers or for myself. In this video I am going to transform this 1/43 scale Schuko Volkswagen Up for a customer of me. For a 1/43 scale model, it's already very nicely detailed. The first step is to take it apart. The car is held together by two screws. And the rest of the parts are pushed together. Even the interior is already nicely detailed. For such a small car, it's really nice. The real car doesn't have a panoramic roof, so let's close it with some Bondo. And after a light sanding, it was time for primer, to see where I have to sand more. And I drilled some holes in the back for the LED lights later on. The color for the car is cornflower blue. It's a very special color, you don't see it often. So the first coat is going on. I really love the color. Unfortunately, I didn't have a video from spraying the clear coat, but this is after clear coat. Look how nice and shiny it is. And when you're still watching this video and want to see more, please like, share, subscribe and put on your notifications bell. And watch my full videos please, you help me a lot. Even when the car is put together, you don't see much about the interior, but I decided to paint it also, just like the real car, and put on some wires for the lights. And I wrapped the roof in black vinyl. And I gave the rear windows an extra tint, for a more darker look, just like the real car. Now it was time to put in the LED lights. With such a small model, it was really fiddly all the time, but we managed it. And after all the lights were in, it was time to put the car back together. All the lights were still working, so I'm happy. Because you never know when you put it back together if the lights still work. So when the car was put back together, it was time for some more details, like the exhausts and the diffuser. And I made the side skirts and front splitter from scratch. It's already looking more and more like the real car. Then I made a GTI spoiler from scratch also. And I painted some parts like the emblems and the front grille black. Then the wheels came in with the mail. So I painted them black, mounted the tires and painted the brake calipers in the body color. The wheels were on and I added some more details. I mounted the car back on a stand and now it's almost finished. Just added some more final details like the angry look headlights, the little stickers and the hood scoops. And with this, the project is coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and when you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, share it with your friends and family, put on your notifications bell and leave a comment below. You help me a lot. I thank you for watching and I see you the next time. Bye bye.